Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and see if I can figure out if OMEX is truly ready for takeoff. OMEX, or OMEX Limited, is a well-established player in the Indian stock market, primarily involved in the business of real estate and infrastructure development. They've been around for quite a while, and their stock has garnered attention from investors looking for potential growth opportunities. But what's really going on with OMEX, and is it poised for a significant rise? OMEX has been facing some tough times lately, with the stock price experiencing a fair amount of volatility. This has left many investors wondering if it's a good time to buy or if they should steer clear. One of the concerns is the company's recent financial reports, which have shown some fluctuations in revenue and profit margins. Additionally, the overall market conditions have been quite unpredictable, with economic factors and industry trends playing a significant role in the stock's performance. The real estate sector, in particular, has been going through a lot of changes, and OMEX's stock has been sensitive to these shifts. Some investors are also worried about the company's debt levels and how they might impact future growth. Several factors could influence OMEX's stock price in the coming days. Industry trends, such as changes in government policies or shifts in consumer demand, can have a significant impact. Company announcements, like new project launches or partnerships, can also drive the stock price. Moreover, economic conditions, both domestically and globally, play a crucial role in determining the stock's performance. For instance, changes in interest rates or inflation can affect the overall market sentiment and, in turn, impact OMEX's stock. Let's take a closer look at some of the recent developments that could shape OMEX's future. The company has been focusing on expanding its portfolio of projects, which could potentially drive growth. However, there are also risks involved, such as regulatory challenges or delays in project completions. Another factor to consider is the company's management team and their track record of delivering results. If they can demonstrate a strong ability to execute on their plans, it could boost investor confidence. So, is OMEX stock on the verge of a significant rise or fall? Based on my analysis, I believe that OMEX has some promising prospects, but it's essential to be cautious. The company's recent efforts to revamp its strategy and focus on high-growth areas are encouraging. However, the stock's volatility and the challenges facing the real estate sector mean that investors need to be careful. I think OMEX has the potential to take off, but it's crucial to keep a close eye on the company's progress and adjust your investment decisions accordingly. In recap, we discussed OMEX's current challenges, the factors that could influence its stock price, and my insights on the company's potential. The key takeaways are that OMEX has some positive prospects, but investors need to be aware of the risks and keep a close eye on the company's progress. If you're interested in learning more about the stock market and trends, be sure to check out my related video on stock market trends. What do you think about OMEX stock? Do you believe it's ready for takeoff, or are there concerns that might hold it back? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.